Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. I am Bahman Panahi, visual artist, musician, and mainly a calligrapher.
So now the question will be for our listeners and who are watching you and for me, like, okay, a child starts to do that. Is he inspired? Does his parents do that? Did they have calligraphy at home? How did you pick the alphabets? Did your parents teach? So it will come to the parent part also here.
Actually, I was born in a very, very big and large family. It was my dream from very,
nice.
This concept of relationship between arts is not a new thing. It's visual music. We call the calligraphy as a visual music. How the art of calligraphy and music can be translated and transformed to each other. Mostly the people, they think this is the music and calligraphy. It's not that. It's musicality of calligraphy. It's true, because this is based on the Arabic alphabets in the beginning.
So you do play instrument and you sing in Persian. When did you start playing tar? That also you started early on?
Yes, actually I started not very early, but also my mother, she had a very nice handwriting, but she never did the course of calligraphy, etc. But
she didn't have time with all these children.
But the most important is, I think, she gave the love. She gave us enough.
Nice.
I think one of the first lessons in spirituality is to don't say I am in a spirituality way.
What can you say in a sentence or two? What has calligraphy art given to you?
Calligraphy is me, actually.
Okay, so you are more French, right? You have more French, or do you have more?
My bag is enough full of
material. Full of it.
I'm not thinking about the language. I'm very inspired by the shape and forms, because I'm not working for community and some particular people now.
Okay.
I see myself more open in some sense. Something they say, is it Latin? Somebody they say, is it Chinese?
Yeah.
Somebody say, is it
Persian?
Persian?
Yes, exactly.
This means musicality of calligraphy.
Okay. So you're testing people's minds, right?
I love black because calligraphy is based on the black. I did the carpet of letters, which is sometimes more than 80 different colors in one piece.
Oh. Let me talk a little, get to you directly, like a little bit.
Now it was not me.
Yes, it was. In addition to that, is there a human relationship that you can say that is my best relationship?
If my calligraphy didn't give something to others, to people, to humanity and things, there is no value for it.
Wonderful. Any one thing that you like about yourself and one thing that you want to change?
Many things I want to change, but I have no time. Then I'm sometimes too serious. I take serious.
Yeah, I was afraid of that too. Do you get angry? Are you an angry person or like a?
Yeah.
Do you think you have become a perfectionist? Or you are a perfectionist?
I am, yes, I am. Yeah.
Good. Do you? How do you take care of yourself, like health-wise? Do you walk? Do you exercise? Or well, I hope you stay healthy and continue your great work.
Thank you.
Inshallah. So, would you say that your art completes you? So, do you think you are able to help the image?
Of course, there always in the life there are always misunderstandings.
Yes.
For everything, about ourselves, about others, about the religious, about everything. The nature give us this lesson that the harmony and the natural way of everything is the best way to keep and to protect the things. Any manipulation, it's gave a sign to say you talk a lot.
Yeah. So do you teach online? Last leg of questions. What is wealth for you? how would you define wealth?
From our physical beauty can be wealth.
So what is the value of gratitude, shukr, in your life? Do you have a lot of value for time? Are you obsessed with time, or you let it flow? So what is wasting time? What is wasting time, like, for example?
It's not contributed to nothing.
Were you always like this, or did you learn with time? Have you found the purpose in your life? Can I ask you that? Do you believe in afterlife?
There is no afterlife. Life is life.
I
believe life is life, is existed, and and they will continue in a different way, a different concept. So
thank you. Any message of hope that you can give?
I don't give the message.
Okay. Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
My message is that the work of messenger. This is not our work. My life is my job.
Okay.
Thank you very much for this interview. You gave me this possibility and opportunity to think about, to talk about something. That's already it's a good contribution.
Thank you. So, what lights you up?
When I see the people happy,
you get happy.
Yes. Thank you very much also, and hope our conversation is enough interesting to people to listen, to see, and they don't think to waste their time with my part of conversation. I hope they can bring some
meaning,
interesting, some maybe useful or happy moments for them. That would be good. And I really wish it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Salam.
Okay. Thank you.
Khudafis.
Khudafis.
See you, inshallah.